Hello, good morning, my friend.
Good morning.
You also speak. Our
Okay.
friend have good morning. And how are you, my friend? I think you are so nice, great. Okay, so I'm trying today, my friend. I want to talk in English. And how are you? You'll also tell. I'm fine here. Said I'm telling to you. And today we are moving, friend. Here said our field said and nice field. So I started for make video and your side now what happening you will tell me. Okay, so my side here said so nice weather, so I'm showing you and I'm trying to speak English because English is so great language. Why I'm telling, because we'll only for know Kuruk language, then we can talk only for Kuruk people with. But we will know English language, then we able to talk in all world people. Okay, so I am saying we'll also learn Kuruk because this is our society language, our Kuruk people language. But we'll also learn English, then this language, all world language. We'll go anywhere, any place. Then they said we can talk with English any person with. Okay, like we'll go China, like we'll go America, we'll go Russia. Then they said we can talk in English and they will understand. So I am saying our language is also important. After our we can will you think like we'll go in the America, then there sir will talk in Kudu, then they will understand, not understand. So I am saying, how do you want to learn Kudu? Then same thing you think also, and you learn also English, then more nice will be. Okay, I am proud of telling why, because I'm little able to talk in English, so nice feeling. So I think so I'll share with you because you are our person in my friend, you are our person my friend. Okay, so thank you, Fred. How my English is, how to you'll tell me, okay? Because I was trying in talk English, and so nice feeling because I talk English. So very proud of like that feeling. And some person sing, some people sing, my friend. Some person I listen. Some person sing. I don't speak English. English is not good. And I asked why. Then that person saying, look, you'll speak English, then who will speak your Kuruk language? Like that saying some person. But I not like that person. Why? Because look, you think all thing is written like medicine, wrote like medicine and chocolate, biscuit, all side have written, wrote, my friend, they said with English language. And all person think so. Don't this you read. You read only for Kudu. But I'm telling my friend, Kudu is important because that is our Adivasi language, Kuduk language, Kuduk language. So, but our English is also important because we want to know all world. Then our English, then English is also important. So I am saying, my friend, you want to know our world proper. You want to move our world. Then you also learn English language. Then nice will be. And this is a great idea also. So because I'm not able to talk English proper, my friend, but I'm trying. So I'll not talk so many time. I only talk little. After how to feeling you and how to my English, you'll tell and comment me. And you want to talk with me English, then you'll also comment. Okay? Because I like English and I want to talk English all time. So thank you, my friend. And you also say thanks.
Thank you.
And we are moving now. Feel sad. Morning exercise we are doing. Bye bye, my friend.